In today's demonstration, I'm going to be showing an example of how LizFish Connector can be utilized to automatically search, retrieve, or import documents to and from LizFish from within an HR information system. LizFish Connector is a universal integration tool that can work across any third-party line of business application, whether it be a student information system, HR information system, accounting software. Any line of business application, whether web-based or thick desktop application, can be integrated using LizFish Connector. In this scenario, I'm using Microsoft Dynamics as my HR information system. Right now, I'm looking at an employee's profile, and I have two buttons up here at the top of the screen. Now, it may look like these two buttons are part of this Microsoft Dynamics interface, part of this toolbar up here at the top, but really this is the LizFish Connector tool that I've configured to display these buttons upon me opening up an employee's profile. You'll see that it says Found 14. So what happens is, whenever I come to a certain screen within your line of business application, LizFish Connector will display the buttons and extract information from the screen that you're viewing and use it to run live searches of the LizFish repository. In this case, you'll see it says Found 14. I can click on that link and pull back a list of all the documents that are stored in LizFish associated with this employee. And then I can easily click on any one of those documents and open them up instantly. So for end users, it feels like the documents are stored inside of the accounting software, they're stored inside the HR information system, but really, they're stored inside of LizFish. LizFish is managing the retention schedules for these records, and we're giving users a one-click easy search and retrieval of these documents right from within their line of business application. If I want to run a more specific type search, I can click on my button, and users can have different types of searches set up, allowing them to search for specific types of documents or run specific types of searches. In this case, if I just wanted to see this employee's contract, I click on, say, Search Contract. It launches LizFish, shows me a list of the documents associated with my search. In this case, I can see both of the contracts for this employee. The Connector tool, in that scenario, opened up the documents within the thick desktop client, but Connector can also open up documents within the LizFish web client as well. So I'll run the same search for contracts utilizing the web client viewer, and you'll see that it opens up a new tab and shows me the contracts for Kelly McCormick. In addition to running searches of documents stored in the repository, Connector can also be utilized to launch the LizFish scan interface, or in this case, I can use the tool to automatically import a document into the repository and use the information from the screen that I'm viewing to automatically index that document. If I click on my paperclip icon here, you'll see that I've got a few different options. I could launch a web form and pre-fill out the web form with data from the screen, or in this case, I'll upload W4. Now the user can browse out to their desktop, find the document that they want to import, and hit OK. And the user doesn't have to do any manual data entry, any tagging of the document. The system takes all the indexing information needed from the screen that I'm viewing, automatically will index that document and file it away into the appropriate folder in the repository. So now if I refresh my search, you'll see that it says Found 15. And now the W4 that I just imported is now named according to the naming rules that I've set up. It's filed away into this employee's folder, and it's indexed with all the appropriate information that we pulled from the screen that we were on. If you would like to learn more about how LizFish Connector can be utilized to integrate your line of business applications with LizFish, please contact the DocuNav sales team and we'll be happy to help in any way that we can.